How to upload Sketch in Arduino. First of all, open the Arduino IDE 2. With the editor open, let's take a look at the toolbar at the top. At the very left, there is a check mark and an arrow pointing right. The check mark is used to verify and the arrows is used to upload. But before doing any of that, we should choose what board we are uploading to. Beside the verify and upload button, you should see a drop-down menu. This will in most cases display Arduino boards that are connected to your computer. If your board is not automatically detected, you can either press select or the board and port in the drop-down and follow the instructions, or go to the tools board and tools port in the toolbar menu to select the board and port manually. So connect your board to the computer and select it from the drop-down menu. You will know that there is a connection to the board when the board name appears in bold. Click on the Verify tool check mark. Since we are verifying an empty sketch, we can be sure it is going to compile. After a few seconds, we can see the result of the action in the console, black box in the bottom. With the board selected, we are good to go. Click on the upload button and it will start uploading the sketch to the board. When it is finished, a notification pops up in the bottom right of your IDE window. Of course, sometimes there are some complications with uploading and these errors will be listed here as well. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.